Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English podcast on Daily Conversation. I'm Dana Slate, and I'm ready for a little rest and relaxation.
And I'm Caleb Bryan. Today, we're at my favorite place, a hotel. I love the tiny soaps and the pillows that feel like clouds.
It's not all relaxation, Caleb. Sometimes there are issues. Today is topic number 5, the hotel. We'll cover the check-in process, how to ask for a late checkout, and the polite way to handle a room problem.
I just hope my room has a view of something other than a brick wall. Let's head to the lobby. Hi, I'd like to check in, please. The reservation is under Caleb Bryan.
Make sure to ask if breakfast is included in our rate. Sometimes it's an extra charge if you didn't book a bed and breakfast package.
Is the breakfast buffet complimentary? Oh, it's included. Great. Also, do you have any rooms on a higher floor? I'm a light sleeper, and I want to be away from the street noise.
And could we get 2 extra pillows and some fresh towels sent up to the room later?
Dana, I've been pressing the buttons on this thermostat for 5 minutes and the air is still lukewarm. I think the AC is out of order.
And look at the shower. The drain is clogged. The water isn't going down at all. We need to call the front desk.
Hi, this is room 402. We're having a few maintenance issues. The air conditioning isn't cooling, and the shower is backed up.
Ask if we can be upgraded to a different room since this one wasn't properly inspected.
Since these are major issues, is it possible to move us to a different room? They're moving us to a suite on the 10th floor. This is much better. Look at the minibar.
Careful, Caleb. Those snacks are overpriced. Check the price list first. Let's head down and ask the concierge for a restaurant recommendation instead.
Hi, we're looking for a local spot for dinner. Somewhere with a good ambiance, but not too formal.
Also, could you tell us the hours for the fitness center and the pool? And do you provide a shuttle service to the city center?
Our flight isn't until 4 p.m., but checkout time is 11 a.m. I don't want to sit at the airport for 5 hours with all our bags.
Call the desk and ask for a late checkout. Sometimes they'll let you stay until 1 p.m. for free if the hotel isn't fully booked.
Hi, would it be possible to get a late checkout? They said we can stay until 1 p.m.
Perfect. And if we want to explore the city after that, we can just leave our bags with the bellhop in the luggage storage area.
Problem solved. Let's go get that complimentary breakfast.
I feel more relaxed just talking about that suite upgrade. Hotels can be tricky, but knowing the right words makes it so much easier.
I'm definitely a fan of the late checkout. Thanks for joining us today on the English podcast on Daily Conversation.
We'll be back with another episode very soon. Next time, we're hitting the shops in topic number 6, shopping, finding the right size, asking for a discount, and returns.
I hope my credit card is ready, but don't go anywhere. Until then, stay tuned, keep talking, and remember, your next great conversation is just 1 sentence away.
See you in the next podcast. Bye for now.
Catch you later.